welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Ginger, be quiet. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
This is my kitchen, and behind the camera is my son Michael. Michael, say hi.
Howdy,
and
partners.
This is not like a video of me cooking anything, but I was in the middle of making a list because I have to go food shopping. Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah, she barks at the washer every time the washer's on. She barks at it.
There she goes.
See, there she goes. So anyway, so I was like getting ready to make a list because I have to go to the supermarket. If you can see my fridge, I'm like in the middle of taking whatever, So every week I always have vegetables that I buy, and then at the end of the week they kind of like get old. So I don't like throwing them out, all of them. So this is what I got here. I got some parsley, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to use whatever I can save from this. And then these serrano peppers, they're kind of like old. So I was thinking, well, not that bad, but I'm gonna take two of the oldest ones. Not old, but like they get a wrinkle like that, and clean them up. These two tomatoes, I know they look kind of like torn apart, but I just want to save whatever I can from each veggie there. A couple of lemons are drying out. This little piece of a jalapeno that was there, a little piece of red onion. This carrot, it looks like that because that's from the fridge, but on the inside, if I cut, you will see that, some of it will be savable. And a lot of you can see a lot of people like to throw. So no, you take it all out, see what you can save. This green pepper here also, for example, you see half of it is thick, but I know that if we go like this and clean it out, we can save some parts and use it. So what I'm gonna do, that's what I'm gonna do. I also have these colorful peppers here. Some old, not old, but like drying out mushrooms. And what I'm gonna do when I'm done, I'm gonna ask Michael do like a little video as I cut it. Michael, we're gonna do that, without talking, so you guys can see what I'm gonna do with the veggie. And then I'm gonna put it together, and at the end we're gonna have a colorful thing. And it's a good way of you trying to save a couple of bucks. A lot of people, and the end of the week when you have to go to the supermarket, a lot of people throw everything out that they have in there. I also have some romaine lettuce here, as you can see. And, they get, so what you do with the lettuce, like everything else, you take the first two leaves, you take it out, and then you try to save some of this. In the video, you'll see what I'm talking about, and it's gonna be something really nice. And then we're gonna cook something with it. And I think some chicken breast, right? So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back. And stay tuned so you can see those short videos, how we're gonna put it all together. Thanks for watching. So we're gonna start with the lettuce that I peeled the two pieces. And we're just gonna cut across, just like that. You can make it as thin as you want or as thick. And we're gonna take this, grab it with your hands. We're gonna put that on the side of the plate. So that's our lettuce. Guys, so this is the pepper that we decapitated before. You saw that when I took the top of it off. And we're gonna try to save as much as we can from here. Not too much, but what is not good, we're gonna take it out. This piece looks kind of like all wrinkled. I think we can do without that one, right? Yep. So whatever pieces you want to save, you cut the edge of it, whatever is old, whatever end was old, that it was open already, you do that. And it's not going to be a lot of pepper, but we have a little bit there next to our delicious lettuce. So next is the tomatoes. Didn't get a lot of these tomatoes, but, oh, sorry guys, that's Ginger barking.
That's right.
At the washer. So we're gonna save those two pieces.
Oh, wow.
That, and hold on, because I'm gonna clean them up. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Yes, see?
That's right.
And that part doesn't look too good, so I'm gonna take it off, right, Mike?
Yeah.
And then let's do the same thing here.
Wow.
And you're gonna take all that, see all that?
De-seed.
That comes out,
That's right.
And do the same thing here. Okay, guys? Stay there, don't go anywhere. We're still working on these. I'm gonna rinse them out, guys, real quick.
That's right.
Rinse.
Beautiful.
Hold on. Come. Rinse.
Beautiful.
Rinse, and one more. And rinse.
Wow.
This is gonna be garbage over there.
Look at that
Here
garbage.
we are with the tomato, guys. So let's make strips. Not even strips out of the tomatoes. I'm gonna chop them up in little cubes. What do you think, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna slice them
Sounds
like
real
this
nice.
first. Yep. It does, right?
Oh yeah.
And you can smell the tomatoes. They're very right, Mike?
Delicious.
You can use these and make broth or add them up to some pasta, some delicious pasta, you know. And then I'm gonna go. Sorry, I have to file my knife a little bit. But like I was saying, yeah, you can like take these tomatoes, you can add them up to some delicious like pasta sauce, you know, or you can make your own marinara or spaghetti, or put it in some delicious chicken, you know, and make a delicious sauce with butter, you know. So here are cut up tomatoes, guys. So here we're gonna go. I'm gonna put them right there like that. And now we're gonna use some of these colorful yellow peppers here, okay? So these are the peppers. This is gonna be very easy, okay? I just took the top off, see? And you cut them like this in the middle. I think I have a little video that I made, right?
How to clean peppers.
Like, well, not clean them, but an easier way to just take a spoon and you scrape it. I'm gonna scrape that line there in the middle,
Oh, yeah.
see? Right here, that's one. And go like that backwards with your spoon. And just, you know, put pressure with, like this is the spoon that I'm holding. Put a little bit of pressure, not a lot because you don't want to rip.
That's right.
But enough pressure that you can yank that little strip there with the spoon. So you see, let's do this other one right here. Wow. These look really nice.
That's
I
right.
think, you
I'm gonna
know?
link the clean peppers video in the link down below.
Oh, you're gonna do that? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay, guys, so now we're gonna cut them up, and I say we make little strips. Yeah, right, Michael? See? Kind of like julienne style, guys, you know?
That's right.
But thinner, you know? But thinner because we're gonna use this to make stir-fried chicken.
Yes.
And that's what I'm gonna be making for dinner tonight over white rice. And I can have chicken and I can have rice. Don't you love that? I mean, I couldn't eat rice like for almost 4 or 5 years. And I thought, well, maybe now that, you know, talking about myself now, that I have this other thing going on with my insides, I can eat rice. I was like, oh, wow, I'm gonna gain some weight. But guess what? No, guys, I haven't gained any weight. Just miss old me, you know? And, oh, I have this orange one. So let's do this orange one. See? And I'm gonna tell you, my food is gonna be so good because, I mean, when you cook with fresh vegetables, let me tell you. And these are vegetable, guys, again, like I said, that anybody will go ahead and say, you know what, let's throw that out. Go through it, try to save as many as you can, you know, because that's what you have to do. Look how pretty they look. And now we are gonna work next in this piece of carrot. I'll be right back. But I'm telling you, it's dark like that from the fresh, and also from being, you know, outside the bag, because it was by itself, this piece. I remember I used that other piece for something. I think it was a mask for my face, because I'm always putting all kinds of stuff, but we're peeling it like this, okay? So there you go. You know who likes this a lot, guys? My doggies. Oh, they love carrots.
Oh yeah.
But then, yeah, they love they love it. But then when they eat so much carrots, they don't want to eat food. And then they're like, you know, they're like, oh, we like your food. Which they always get from us, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
So what I'm gonna do, just gonna do this very finely, like very thin, right?
Right.
Because what I'm gonna do with them is use them for the stir fry, you know? You only put them at the end because you want them to be, you know, you don't want them to be soggy. But this is just a little piece of carrots that I'm cutting here. And like I said, we throw so much food out. And as you can see, look what I'm doing with all these leftovers, you know, veggies and herbs that I have, okay? So this is my carrots. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the other veggies. I'm gonna put them here. And I'm gonna add them right there. Wow, that looks so pretty. But I think I should put them against this side, yes, because there's a lot of green So we need that, you know, to overpower that side. And now I'm gonna do a couple of these serrano peppers. I put the rest of them, you see, I just put them like that just to decorate and stuff like that. But these are really good because these give the food a great flavor and that spice, like that Caribbean spice.
Oh yeah.
Now you do the same thing with these. You got the spoon. I'm just gonna clean them here, Michael. Oh, this is where I'm throwing all the vegetables that were kind of like over. Come on, guys. Ginger, stop barking at the
all the scraps.
I know, this is kind of like, yeah, all the scraps that we were not going to use from the tomato, the lettuce, I mean, all that. So it should look like this, nice and clean, you know. And let's do the other one right away since I'm here. Here's the other one. You take the spoon, press the spoon down, whatever. If you're left-handed, right-handed, it doesn't matter. Press and move it forward or backwards, okay? So here we go. So here's the serrano peppers, you know. Be careful because if you're not used to it, like the thing from the pepper, it will go up when you cut it, like the, what do you call that, Michael?
The juice.
The juice, kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like a spray bottle when you cut, you know, hot peppers like this. It's like a spray bottle because if you have your face right there, oh yeah, you're gonna get that in your eyes, you know. I mean, the other day I got some on my lip and I thought my lip got a little bit big and I'm like, wow, I got me half a big lip. But then, you know, it's scary. Don't do that. I'm just saying. But I was like, wow, this is probably what they put in those injections, right? Or whatever they put. I don't know. So anyway, this is that 2 serranos. And I just didn't want to cut any more right now. You know, I'm probably going to cut a little bit more and put some here so I can fill that up.
I think that's enough though.
Hold on.
Oh.
I just got these 2. And since we're here, guys, I'm just going to put some lemon wedges. Slice this around, okay? Just to decorate the plate. You know, a lot of them lemons,
They dry out.
Yeah, I know they dry out and the juice is not the same. And if you see them with some yellow spots, you don't want to use them because it gives it like an awkward taste. What do you call that taste? Like
it's
not
overripe.
sweet. It's not sweet. It's kind of like, you know when a lemon is like you eat a piece of orange that is not good anymore? Like that fermented taste. You know what I'm talking about.
Like it's too old.
Yeah. It is, let me tell you. See? And okay, so I just want to put these like this, guys. So this is my plate of all saved vegetables that I save. And you guys can go ahead and enjoy your day. Try to make the best of it. Let's love each other. And there you go. That's all I gotta say. And with that, guys, I was gonna use some of these, but these, they gotta go.
Oh yeah, they're bad.
I gotta throw them out. I just left them there because I wanted you guys to see them. And I also have a small can of tomato paste. And let's see how much we have, guys. Because I'm telling you guys, it's everything that, you know. Here we are. See? So I'm gonna be using that. And here's my plate. Where do we put it, Mike? You want to take some pictures?
Oh, right here, Mama.
So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Ginger, stop barking. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. And if you want to donate $1 or not, you can scroll right down below to patreon.com. It will take you directly to the website. And there you can go ahead and donate $1 or $2 or $50 or $100. So with that, I will let you guys go. If you want to review my video, you can go back and rewind it and do it all over again. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask anytime. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Let's not drink and drive. Thank you.